Oh my goodness. Yes, it did. I wasn't expecting that. Okay. It wasn't as bad as I thought.
No.
Breathe. Okay. Okay, I'm ready. I think I am. It feels so weird.
It does.
It does. I don't like the cracking noise. But it actually does. Okay. It does feel better. Okay. I think I worked myself up for nothing.
Yeah.
See?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Good, just relax. Lay down on your back. Face up.
Oh my God.
Right there. Yep. Relax.
Oh God. I wasn't expecting that either. Am I able to move my neck?
Yeah, you can do everything. See how
Okay.
you're feeling, yes.
Okay. Okay. That's weird, but okay.
There you go.
Oh, I don't think your body should do this. Okay. It actually feels so good, like on your shoulders. Oh. Okay. Okay, I'm ready.
Face down. And move down a little bit. Take a deep breath in and out.
Oh. Oh wow. That one felt really good. Okay.
Take a deep breath in and out.
That's like the best thing ever. Okay.
Go. Nice. Turn, face me now.
The back part was like the best.
Move down a little bit. I think you will always remember this. Your first adjustment was in Chicago, right?
Yes. I've never had this done. Oh. Oh wow. I need this done every week. I need this done every week. I need to fly out every week. Oh my God. That feels so good. Okay, ready for it next.
Other side.
I'm definitely ready for a nap now. This feels so relaxing. Why was I so nervous?
I don't
I don't know why you were nervous, but I mean, you did good.
Yes.
Sit at the end. Sit right here.
Now I should be nervous?
No.
No.
That schedules us a ride.
Lay down on your bed.
Oh my god.
That just schedules us a ride.
Good.
To the place?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell them, we'll figure out something about to stop or whatever along the way. Make a stop.
Okay, take a deep breath out. And out. Actually, move down a little bit. Right there. Deep breath in. And out. One more in. And out.
Oh,
That was,
you feel it like all in your butt.
yes.
You do. You like feel it all the way in your butt.
Definitely do.
Like even in here. Oh my goodness. Everybody should come and get this done.
Exactly.
Come on, New Orleans. Oh my
It
God.
feels good, though. It definitely feels
Have a seat, face that way.
it definitely feels.
Oh my God.
Maybe for more.
That was definitely different.
Yes.
I didn't expect that. That should be illegal.
What? Why is that?
That should be illegal.
Why?
Oh my God. My muscles feel so good. Oh my God. I'm not gonna lie, I was scared at first of that, thinking I was already having tightness here in my muscles. And so I thought it was gonna be just painful, but no. Oh my God. You sure have to get those at home, babe. Did you see that thing?
Yeah, I see it.
I need one of those at home.
Stand up, move around, let's see how you're feeling.
Oh my God.
It's your first adjustment ever.
Yeah. And my hips feel good. My shoulders feel good. Oh my God. This was so good. So needed.
Yes, it was.
This made the trip. We can go home now.
There you
We
go.
can go home now. This was the best trip.
Yeah.
Thank y'all so
You're
much.
welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.